Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and it's time for Wordplay Wednesday. So we've been talking about sulfide minerals all month, and sulfides tend to be precipitate minerals, or minerals that can be broken down into ions and cations when they come into contact with water. But what are anions and cations? Well, an ion is a charged atom or molecule. If an ion has more protons than electrons, then it is positively charged, making it a cation. And if an ion has more electrons than protons, then that atom or molecule is negatively charged, making it an anion. Ions occur because atoms want to have a stable valence electron shell. So that is the outermost shell in the electron cloud. In some cases, that might mean it ends up with more electrons than protons, like in chlorine, or more protons than electrons, like in sodium. And because of this, you end up with things like table salt, because these ions form ionic bonds, which form strong, stable compounds, which is what our table salt is. And thank goodness for that, because it's delicious. And yeah, one of the easiest ways to get sodium into our body, which we need. So now you know a little bit about ions and how they're important to mineralogy. So thanks for coming to today's lesson, and make sure you tune in tomorrow to learn about a guy who discovered a lot of elements through his work with minerals. Fossilize you later.